Hands on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, and they get rich. Cash through the mall, and I get a check. He selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel a dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me 10, in the club boy like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, I'm used to the rest. With this group, where they teach you for this. I heard this for the drip I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with it is.
Now that I'm home, I got the road. We shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold. Sand on my feet, put it on toes. Take it with me, double your dose. Covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, this bigger window. And I need the intent, but I got the info.
This must be the leather top. No, it's not. Oh, I thought it was leather, but it's not. This feels warm and thick. Why did I think this was a type of pleather from the picture? Y'all, I'm confused, and I didn't even realize it had a hood on it. Did I miss something or what? I mean, I thought this was a top, like a leather top, but it's not. It's definitely like a jacket, like a outerwear type of situation. I can't wear this today. I don't know what to wear it with. It's not what I thought it was though, but okay. You can see it's in an extra small.
I get a check. He selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel a dress, clean up a mess. I eat the flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
Leggings. Ooh, yes. Ooh, and they look at the end. These are cute.
Where they teach you for this. I heard this shit for the drip I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with it is.
Okay. The thing about these is I've put them and taken them out of my cart several times all year. And I finally decided with the Black Friday sale, of course, that I would go ahead and see what a pair would do for me. First of all, it's not looking good just off the rip, and that's mainly based off how I feel about the material. Otherwise, stay tuned because I have to try these on.
Hands on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, and they get rich. Cash through the mall, and I get a check.
Okay, I also got a leather skirt. Y'all know a pleather skirt. Y'all know how I've been feeling about pleather. I want to try this on so bad, but without stockings, leg warmers, long socks, and boots, you know, this wouldn't be appropriate for today. It is quite freezing out. It's not too cold, but it's pretty doggone cold. It looks good. I'm excited about this one.
Got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, I'm used to the rest. With this group, where they teach you for this. I heard this shit for the drip.
And then I already mentioned in the previous vlogs or hauls, and both really, I mentioned before that I had ordered a yellow top to go with that vest. And so here it is, long sleeve, just a nice simple top. I might just wear this today, you know, with some jeans. I guess I'll give you an outfit of the day when I decide, but I'm gonna go ahead and get ready.
Nothing but fire, man. She hopped in and drove.